Shopping psychology: how consumer behaviors influence business success. Shopping psychology is a fascinating field that reveals how consumer emotions, perceptions, and behaviors shape the success of a business. Understanding these processes can be key to developing more effective marketing strategies, improving the customer experience, and ultimately increasing the profitability of any business. By exploring the decisions that lead consumers to buy, business owners can create a deeper connection with their target audience, maximizing the potential of their offerings. The power of emotions in purchasing decisions. Purchasing decisions are not made solely based on reason. On the contrary, emotions play a fundamental role in the choice of a product or service. The concept of emotional marketing is based on exactly this. Consumers are attracted to experiences that provoke positive feelings, such as happiness, security, and even nostalgia. When a product or service makes the customer feel something positive, they tend to associate that experience with the brand, which creates a lasting emotional bond. Companies that know how to create campaigns that appeal to consumers' emotions, such as ads that awaken a sense of belonging or achievement, are able to capture attention more effectively. Brands like Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola are masters of this type of marketing, creating stories that touch the hearts of their audience and make their products, more than just consumer items, they become part of an emotional identity. The influence of the shopping environment. Another powerful psychological factor is the environment in which purchases are made. Whether in a physical or online store, the shopping environment can strongly influence consumer behavior. In physical stores, aspects such as lighting, background music, and even the layout of the shelves can create an atmosphere that makes purchasing easier or harder. For example, a well-organized and visually appealing environment can encourage consumers to spend more time in the store and consequently increase sales. On digital platforms, website design, intuitive navigation, and user experience are equally crucial. A website that is easy to navigate, with clear information and effective calls to action, CTAs, can make all the difference in converting visitors into buyers. In addition, the use of colors also has a big influence. Blue conveys trust, red evokes urgency, and green is associated with eco-friendly or healthy products. Each color chosen strategically can affect how consumers feel and behave towards your product. The impact of social proof. Social proof is another psychological concept that is vital to the purchasing process. When consumers see that other people are buying or recommending a product, they tend to feel that their choice is safe and valid. This behavior is related to the following the example of others, a deeply ingrained human tendency. Testimonials, customer reviews, case studies, and even the number of followers on a social network all serve as social proof that influences purchasing decisions. Companies that use social proof effectively, showing real customer testimonials, positive reviews, and success stories, increase trust in their products or services. In addition, creating a sense of exclusivity, such as with limited editions or members' offers, also makes consumers feel like they are part of a select group, which increases the desire to buy. The scarcity and urgency effect. Another psychological phenomenon that strongly influences purchasing decisions is the scarcity principle. When a product is presented as rare or limited, people tend to value it more, which leads to immediate action. This is a common technique used by brands in limited time promotions, such as flash sales or special limited stock offers. The urgency generated by these offers causes consumers to make quick decisions, often without thinking deeply, which results in impulsive purchases. This strategy works so well because the human mind tends to associate scarcity with exclusivity and superior value of the product. The fear of missing out on an opportunity can be more persuasive than the actual need for the product, causing the consumer to make a quick decision. Brands like Amazon, with its famous last units in stock offer, take advantage of this psychological trigger to boost sales and increase conversion. The price effect and value perception. Psychology also plays a crucial role in how consumers perceive the price of a product. The price of an item can be a deciding factor in a purchase, but the perception of value goes beyond the simple number on the label. For example, the price anchoring technique is widely used by companies to influence purchasing decisions. When a high-priced product is displayed next to a cheaper product, consumers tend to perceive the second product as a good deal, even though the price is still considerable. In addition, offering pricing options such as bundles, multi-purchase discounts, or subscriptions creates the perception that the consumer is getting more value for their money. Consumers often make comparisons between products, and price is only one part of that equation. By offering premium products alongside more affordable options, companies can guide consumers to the choice that best aligns with their budget, increasing sales without sacrificing the perception of quality. The loyalty cycle and the importance of after-sales. Last but not least, the psychology of shopping doesn't end with the sale. The post-sale experience is crucial to building customer loyalty and stickiness. When consumers have a positive experience after a purchase, whether through exceptional customer service, loyalty programs, or ongoing communication with the brand, they are more likely to buy again and recommend the company to others. The psychology of the post-sale customer service is all about the idea of satisfaction and reward. Offering something extra like a gift, a personalized thank you, or a discount on the next purchase creates a sense of emotional reward that strengthens the bond with the brand. In addition, Companies that invest in excellent customer service and quick resolutions to problems help create a positive experience that lasts and fosters customer loyalty. In an increasingly competitive world, understanding the psychology behind purchasing decisions is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Behaviors such as emotion seeking, the influence of the shopping environment, social proof, scarcity, value perception, and post-sale experience are factors that directly impact a business's success. By applying these principles strategically, companies can create shopping experiences that not only attract consumers, but build loyalty and turn them into brand advocates. Now, more than ever, it's time to understand how consumers think, feel, and act. When a business is able to align its strategies with these psychological behaviors, success becomes a natural consequence. The psychology of shopping is not just a theory. It's a real opportunity to improve the management of your business and reach new heights of success. Step by step, how to apply shopping. Psychology to increase profitability and improve business management. Shopping psychology is one of the most powerful factors when it comes to maximizing sales and improving business management. Understanding how consumers make decisions and what motivates them can transform the way you deliver your products and services. Below, you'll find a detailed, step-by-step guide to strategies based on the psychology of shopping that you can apply to increase profitability and improve the management of your business. Step 1. Understand the importance of emotions in purchasing decisions. Most purchasing decisions are not made based solely on logic or reason. The emotional factor plays a fundamental role. Consumers often buy products that trigger an emotional response, whether it be desire, pleasure, or security. How to apply? Creating emotional campaigns. Develop marketing campaigns that touch consumers' emotions. For example, share stories that connect the brand with moments of happiness, achievement, or belonging. Personalized service. Offer a personalized shopping experience so that the customer feels unique and valued. Visual design. Use colors and images that reinforce the emotions you want to trigger. Red can generate urgency while blue conveys trust. Step 2. Perceived value and how it impacts the purchasing decision. Perceived value is how consumers evaluate what they are getting in exchange for what they are paying. This goes beyond the price of the product. It involves the perceived value of the offer as a whole. How to apply? Clear product positioning. Highlight the benefits of your products and show how it solves a problem or improves the customer's life. Smart pricing strategies. Use the price anchoring technique, showing a more expensive item next to a cheaper one. This makes the second one seem like a better deal. Add value. Offer bonuses, freebies, or additional guarantees to increase the perception of value without significantly increasing the cost. Step 3. Use scarcity and urgency to encourage impulsive purchases. The psychology of scarcity is a powerful tool to encourage quick purchases. When a consumer believes that a product is limited or available for a limited time, they tend to act quickly to avoid missing out. How to apply? Time-limited promotions. Create promotions that last only a short period of time. This creates a sense of urgency and pressures the customer to make a quick decision. Limited stock. Let consumers know that quantities are limited. Use phrases like last items available or today only to create a sense of scarcity. Step 4. Social proof. Use others' opinions to reinforce your offering. People tend to make decisions based on the behavior of others, especially in uncertain situations. This is known as social proof. When consumers see that others are buying or recommending your products, they feel more confident in making the same decision. How to apply it? Customer testimonials. Include reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers on your product pages. This helps create a sense of trust and validation for those considering a purchase. Influencers and brand ambassadors. Use influencers or public figures who share your values and recommend your brand. This increases credibility and attracts new consumers. Display popularity. Show the number of sales or how many customers are viewing the product in real time. This increases the feeling that the product is popular and desired. Step 5. The shopping experience and how design affects the decision. The design of your point of sale, whether physical or digital, has a significant impact on the purchasing decision. A pleasant and intuitive experience can make it easier for customers to make decisions and even encourage additional purchases. How to apply it? Simplified and intuitive design. Ensure that the layout of your store, whether physical or online, is easy to navigate. In the digital environment, this means smooth navigation, effective search filters, and a fast checkout process. Customer service. Provide fast and efficient customer service, whether via live chat on the website, phone, or in person. Attention to detail. Pay attention to the decor, lighting, and ambiance. A well-organized and welcoming space can encourage customers to spend more time in the store and increase the chances of making a purchase. Step 4. Social proof. Use others' opinions to reinforce your offering. People tend to make decisions based on the behavior of others, especially in uncertain situations. This is known as social proof. When consumers see that others are buying or recommending your products, they feel more confident in making the same decision. How to apply it? Customer testimonials. Include reviews and testimonials from satisfied customers on your product pages. This helps create a sense of trust and validation for those considering a purchase. Influencers and brand ambassadors. Use influencers or public figures who share your values and recommend your brand. This increases credibility and attracts new consumers. Display popularity. Show the number of sales or how many customers are viewing the product in real time. This increases the feeling that the product is popular and desired. Step 5. The shopping experience and how design affects the decision. The design of your point of sale, whether physical or digital, has a significant impact on the purchasing decision. A pleasant and intuitive experience can make it easier for customers to make decisions and even encourage additional purchases. How to apply it. Simplified and intuitive design. Ensure that the layout of your store, whether physical or online, is easy to navigate. In the digital environment, this means smooth navigation, effective search filters, and a fast checkout process. Customer service. Provide fast and efficient customer service, whether via live chat on the website, phone, or in person. Attention to detail. Pay attention to the decor, lighting, and ambiance. A well-organized and welcoming space can encourage customers to spend more time in the store and increase the chances of making a purchase. Step 6. Loyalty. How to create long-term relationships with your customers. Customer loyalty is one of the most effective ways to ensure repeat sales and increase profitability. The psychology of loyalty involves creating an emotional connection with the customer, ensuring that they return to buy and become advocates for your brand. How to apply it. Loyalty programs. Create a reward system for frequent customers. This could include discounts, freebies, or early access to new products. A rewards program also encourages repeat purchases. After sales follow-up, contact customers after their purchase to ensure they are satisfied. Provide efficient customer support and resolve any issues quickly. Exclusive offers. Offer exclusive benefits to loyal customers, such as special offers or exclusive promotions. This makes the customer feel valued and reinforces their loyalty to the brand. Step 7. Price psychology. How price affects consumer perception. Price is one of the most critical factors in purchasing decisions, but it is not the only one. Price psychology involves understanding how consumers perceive the value of products based on their price range and the strategies you use. How to apply. Psychological pricing. Use the price technique. Ending in 9, example, $9.99 or $19.99. The consumer tends to perceive these prices as being significantly lower than a rounded value, such as a 10 or 20. Tying. Offer product packages at an attractive price, where the customer feels that they are saving more by buying together than separately. Strategic promotions and discounts. Offer discounts and promotions, strategically, always showing the original price and highlighting the benefit of the offer. This increases the perception that the customer is getting a good deal. Step 8. Facilitate the consumer decision-making process. Consumers often take a long time to make decisions because they feel overwhelmed or indecisive. Facilitating this process is essential to increase the chances of a purchase. How to apply. Clear and objective information. Provide all the necessary information so that the customer feels confident in their choice. Detail the product's benefits, features, and payment methods. Simplify the purchasing journey. Reduce the number of steps in the purchasing process. If it is an online store, ensure that checkout is simple and quick. In physical stores, organize the layout of products in a way that makes choosing easier. Reduce indecision. Offer guarantees or special conditions, such as free returns, to eliminate the fear that the consumer will make the wrong purchase. The psychology of shopping offers a strategic approach to increase conversion and maximize the profitability of your business. By understanding the emotional, social, and psychological factors that influence consumer decisions, you can create more attractive offers, improve the shopping experience, and establish a lasting relationship with your customers. By applying these strategies consistently and intelligently, you will not only increase profitability, but also consolidate your brand in the market, gaining customer loyalty and ensuring a continuous flow of sales. So, did you like the content? If you want to know more about finance, business, and how to make your business grow, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive more tips and insights. There is much more interesting content here to help you achieve success. Leave your comment and share it with anyone you think could benefit. See you in the next video.